So welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money without spending a dime. Very important. Though I have what I do Amazon KDP though, and all that kind of business. But I think this one is totally free. The first site I'll be showing you is the first one called the Side Gig, the second one called the Payroute Online, and the third one Freebies, and the last one which is O Daily. All right, over this one, I'm going to show you how to do this and this. Then in other videos, I'll talk about this and this. So just stay true as I lead you on how to get your first, let me say, money anyway. So first of all, when you come into this place, sidekick.co, it's good you understand what these people really do, how to make their money, stuff like that. So you can first of all just move down to this place and see if there's any stuff they do there. So it said create possibility, collaborate with side gig users. So there are a lot of users in this place that want to review your music, that want to do content engagement, which can be YouTube, which can be Twitter, which can be Instagram, on any of this sort. The next one is blog read, app download, depending on what you want to do. So you can be part of these users who engage on content and you get paid for it. Remember, there's somebody behind that is doing this stuff. All you have to do is just engage in their post and you get rewarded for this. So now, and which will take you little seconds and you're done. All right, first of all, you have to create your account. But the first question is, what do you really want? You want to join as a freelancer or you want to create task? I'm going to show you the difference between both of them in this video. So first of all, let's create an account. So since you want to make money, you don't want to spend a dime, you first of all pick this one called join as a freelancer. So I want to be a freelancer. I'll show you the difference between both of them anyway. So the first thing is for you to sign up and start other stuff. So I'm going to start earning. So click on start earning. It's going to tell you to enter a username if you really want to, but this registration is very important. So you can pick any username. Let me just say called learn. This is the digital. So I'm going to say 1. Then I'm going to put that stuff. Then at the email, you can just put any stuff email you want, any random email. Then you put any password of your choice if you think you want to put password. So okay, let me just put any random password there that I can remember anytime, any day. Since okay, now if you have a referral stuff or you want to, it's optional though, so you can move on to the next phase that says register. So now you're going to register, then you should get a prompt that you're done. So this email is already used here, so I'm going to just change this to something different. Any kind of emails is easy to get, so I don't need to panic over this. So just put email there and follow the screen registration. So now I should register after this and move on to the next stuff. So now it's going to ask for your first name. You can put on any first name of your choice. So I'm going to put anything like Godwin if I think that's better. Then the last name I can put something like Festus. So let me just say that's Festus because there is no need for name verification. So now this mobile number, I can just put any random number. Let me just put one of my friends' number that is, I think okay, so I'm going to just put anyone here and see any random number there. So but the important thing is just put 234 because it's very important to do this. So you're going to move on to the next phase. If there's any error, we're going to fix it immediately, but since there's no error, we'll move on to the next phase in no time soon. So we're in step 2 of 3. I believe you should be doing yours after watching this video, not as I am as you're watching. So after watching, it's advisable you do this stuff. So sometimes network can be of great disturb. So let me ask my friend for this stuff so that I put in the security code. So ensure the number you're putting is authentic anyway. So I'll check my friend's phone and get the stuff done. So yeah, I have it. Now the next thing I'll do now is to just verify this stuff and I'm good to go. So we'll go into the stuff. So if there's another stuff, it said review this stuff. So let's see what's really happening. Let's see the next one if there's anything. Okay, this number here, this number, okay, let me just put that one again. I don't know why it took me back to this place. Okay, so I'm almost done. So I'm going to say plus, no plus, just put your country code depending on where you're doing this stuff. Anybody can. I think this is for Nigerians. Yes. So you're sending me a security code again. The next time I'm going to verify this stuff and ensure I get it accurate this time. So now I've got the verification again. Let me verify this time and see if, okay. So now welcome to SideGig. Here we have this stuff. We can do other stuff. You can upgrade if you feel like upgrading all this stuff, but this is your name here. Welcome back, Godwin Festus. So the next thing I want to do is to just put on some settings. You can decide to start with tasks. There are different tasks you can do there. So over here now, if you click on this place, this your settings. You can put in your bank account at this side. So I'm going to put all this stuff here very fast. So change photo, very easy. Just pick any photo of your choice. I think it's not going to show that moment, so you can leave that. Then your phone number remains. Your country depends on where you are doing this stuff. And I believe this is actually from okay. So now you can select the your social account. So I'm going to select anyone. the type of task you want to be performing. You can add anyone any day. So I'm going to add on Instagram, then I'm going to create a new account. Then it's going to ask me put in your Instagram account. So I'm going to put any of this two. I don't think this is working anyway. Let me just put in any kind of Instagram account that I've been using for long that I've forfeited. So I'm going to put that. So don't put at here, it's very important. So then you're going to link account. So what we'll do is to link this account, and next thing we'll do Instagram with this username already. Okay, so you see I've done that already, but that's notwithstanding, I already have an account. So what I'll do now is to just move on to that one which I've already registered before. So that I can continue this process and show you stuff. So over here now, I'm going to sign out from here very fast as possible. So to do that, click on this and click on log out, and we'll move on to the next one again, that's called login. So I'm going to log into that account that I have that stuff. So I'm going to just say Alan. Over here I'm going to put this and say digital, then password. I'm going to put any stuff there and see if it goes in. So now we should log in sooner or soonest. All right, so now the same stuff I was talking about, trying to tell you about earning. So at this place you can decide to go on task and push some other stuff, but I told you about connecting your account. Here you see I've connected my account. Now you see now, so it's reviewing for now. They've not accepted it and stuff like that. So when they accept it, it means you can perform. The question is, how do you really make money? Because your wallet from here is totally zero. So you can request for payout, you can add funds. Over here you can add your bank statement. So you come to your bank account and you put your stuff there and you choose your bank provider, you're good to go, and you can add the account. But now you can create task. So over the creating tax, in case you felt like doing something, you want to put some money in this site though, you can decide to start a campaign. You can decide to say you want to do something like social media engagement. You can come here and say you want to do your YouTube, so that people, you can click on next, so that we look at what should freelancer do. So now you see the two step. When you, the first place when we started this place, we started as either as a freelancer or create task. Now you see how this thing really works. So if you join as a freelancer, it means you have to complete some tasks to really get this stuff done. That's why I'm going to tell you the difference. So what is your campaign all about? I'm going to say subscribe to a channel, then I'll click on next. It's going to ask you for this stuff and this stuff. So let me just assume I have something different. Okay, so now I'm going to copy my YouTube link and put it there and see what will happen. So now I've just put inserted the link there. Now it's asking me how many freelancers do I really need? How many people do you want to do this stuff for you? I might say I need 100 people to do this for me, and try. I'm going to say view summary and see what happened. So now I'm going to pay for this because I've just created a task that people can do. So now the stuff is 2500 funding stuff. So I can decide to confirm and check out, and it's going to tell me to put in my details and do some transfer if possible. I don't know why it's showing me 419 stuff like that, but above all, that is wonderful. So tax you can complete here. As I was talking about something before, I went one step backward. So let me see. Okay, we have the task. So you can click on task, then you perform different tasks. The first task here, we have this one. You can follow IG, then you can follow TT, which is Twitter. You can follow people and you get 3 points, and you keep on following different people, and you get very easy to do, not difficult, and you get your money paid in when it's time. So at the overview section, which is the full screen, you can come here and do other stuff, add funds from your account. Then you can buy data, you can do other stuff, you can cash out when it's time. All right, that is the side gig for you. I think I've explained everything about side gig and how it really works. All right, now move on to the next one. Before in the next video, I'll talk about this third one, which is freebies and Owo Daily. I believe this will be a very beautiful one. So if you want to get notified when I create this video, I advise you join. Yes, I advise you subscribe to the channel. Like this video and share it to your friends that feel like making money without spending a dime. So now we have payroute.online. Over this one now, let's just try sign in this time and see what is here, because I've not done this before. I feel like doing this from scratch with you. So I'm going to say not registered. Click here to sign up. Remember, you can do this stuff, so just put in any name there as usual. So I can just put any name there and just so let me just put Godwin and I'll put some stuff there. I'm going to fill in this stuff. I'm going to put any random number that I think is good to put. So I'm going to put in a password. I think I can put any random password there so that I can use it just for tutorial sake. So I'm going to sign up and see if they throw error. I'm going to fix that very first. Change your password. Found in data breach. Okay. So now that's not really an issue. So I don't know. Username already exists. Okay, username already exists, but I don't know why I decided to do that. So we're going to still go away. I'm going to say full name, Festus. Okay, Festus Joy. Let's just use that full name, username. Let's say Learn Digital. Let's use this way. Then email, we're going to pick that same email. Then at this place, you're going to put that same number like this. Then let's just say 2349124450356. So then the password, you can put stuff like that. He said it breached. So if you want to create your password, see, he said you won't need to remember this password. It will be saved, stuff. So let's just put some random password that you know by putting a letter at it. So let's just put some random password and see if it comes. So now I'm going to still do that. Now I'm going to put any random password by putting alphabet, test, and underscore all together. So I'm going to sign up now from here. So then when I sign up, good. So now I can log in. Do not create two accounts. That's a warning for you. I'm going to just save this, but later I'm going to log out. So let me log in now. I'm cool. Learn Digital. So you're joining me here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. All right. So now from the pay route, we have the dashboard, we have how to earn, we have P2P ads, we have stuff. How do we really go about this? So I believe this sign is called logout. That's the first sign you see when you start anything. So now if I decide to log out, I'm going to click on that. I believe it should log me out. But if it doesn't log me out, I'm scared already. But okay, log out. Oh, it seems that's not killing me. So now, important update, withdrawal process is back. Withdrawal completed within 2 business days. Minimum amount for withdrawal has been reduced to 200 or invalid or okay. Anyway, minimum. So it means you can withdraw your any amount you make there. You see from 200, you're good to withdraw. So how do we really earn from this stuff? Total refer, total withdraw, total deposit, total ad created. So just like the side gig we talked about in the previous, you can create your own tax here. So how to earn? Let's just read through and see how to earn from the site. Very fast. Okay, taking us to their YouTube page. Payrout has a YouTube page. Maybe later you can visit it, but above all, let's stick to what we're doing. So now we have from here, we have stuff we can do. We can leaderboard or video ads, weekly task. Let's see what's in weekly tasks and what is there. So we have reward and 35 from Time Walls on this. Reward these. Okay, refer 20 people to do this and you get paid 3,500. Create a PTC ad worth 400. Deposit balance. All right, they said engagement required, review required. Create a Facebook post. You can create a post. This post must have at least 60 likes and 30 comments. Screenshot the proof. Send us the proof. Okay, this is trying to create stuff. Then affiliate earning. Refer at least 30 users in a week. Let your user earn at least 5,000 time while all combined referring. Same, this is more of referring stuff and all those stuff. So let me see this side if there's any other stuff we can do, because I believe in our account we should be able to set up our account and do other things here. So from our account, this is all about our account. Where do we put our dollar? A good question. Where do you put your well, anyway, so we have create deposit, create video ads. Okay, this one is creating stuff. So let's see the short links and see if there's any tax for us we can really do. Short links are available every 24 hours. Implies if you view a short link, the same short link will be available for the next. So now complete short links and get rewarded. Yeah, so if I view this link, it means I'm going to get 2 naira for it. If I complete the short link, I'm going to get 2 naira for it. But you can't just keep on coming back. That's why they warned you that short links are available every 24 hours. It applies if you view a short link, the same short link will be available for view in the next. So like if you click this, another one will come in the next 24 hours. Then you can try to do this. They are all 2 bars. You can just play around with all this stuff and you are good to go. All right, I've spent more time on this video and I believe you've learned so much and things you can do. And when it's time, trust me, when your money is really there, you can withdraw it. You can really withdraw it. But now you don't have anything. It's going to look 0 but there's just a little work. 1 hour of your time, 2 hours of your time, trust me, you are good. So, but above all, if you really want to understand some other business that can give you dollar, there is this stuff I think you should be aware of, which is KDP. For those guys who are into KDP, you publish your books there. I publish more books here on KDP website, and I'm making good tons of money from it. And if I want to teach you how to do this, it's very simple. All you have to do is just ask for my link, and I'll send it to you, and you join me on the same business as well. But trust me, this is not free, but trust me, it's worth doing because it's a lifetime business. Well, that's not why we are here anyway. So I've talked about sidegig.co. I've talked about Payrout. Online. So the next one I'm going to talk about, this one called freebies.com, and the last one which is called Owo Daily. So subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I make videos on this. Thank you guys for watching, and more other videos will come on how to make money online, almost for free or for free. Thank you guys. I'll see you. Thank you for watching again.